Melnor Instructions. Melnor produces irrigation supplies such as sprinkler timers, traveling sprinklers and rotating sprinklers. Either of the sprinklers can be attached to the timer with a standard water hose. The Melnor rotating sprinkler even allows for the attachment of additional water hoses and sprinklers. In order to properly maintain your lawn and garden in a hassle-free way, you might have questions about how to set, use and adjust Melnor products. Timer. Raise the topmost Melnor timer coupling nut up to the faucet opening, and screw the coupling nut around the faucet until it's snug. Screw one end of the water hose to the bottom of the timer until it's snug. Connect a sprinkler to the other end of the water hose. Twist the knob of the timer to the desired watering duration. Push and hold down the enter button until the indicator light blinks to save the setting. Turn the faucet on. When the set time is reached every day, the valve of the timer will open and the connected sprinkler waters the lawn. Some Melnor timers are more complex and are programmed to activate at different frequencies, including hours and days. Traveling sprinkler. Insert the angled spray arms into the rotating T of the spray head. Tighten the nuts around the arms until they are snug. Twist the arms in opposite directions but at the same angle from the ground. Lift the arms upward to 30 degrees each approximately to cover a large area. Lower the arms downward to cover a smaller area. If the arms are lowered, swing them around once confirm that they do not hit the sprinkler base. Lay out the water hose in the watering path of your choice. When laying out turns, make them broad so that the sprinkler doesn't derail. Situate the shutoff ramp on top of the hose at the point on the path you wish the sprinkler to stop. Confirm an extra 5 feet of straight hose on either side of the sprinkler. Turbo rotary sprinkler. Spike the Melnor into the ground in the desired watering area, and screw the end of a water hose to the base of the sprinkler. Remove the cap on the other side of the sprinkler base, and attach another water hose and sprinkler if you like. Move the stream deflector on top of the sprinkler head up or down to control the distance of the water projection. Grasp the topmost serrated yellow ring encircling the sprinkler base and twist it clockwise to set the right rotation stop point. Grasp the lowermost serrated yellow ring and twist it counterclockwise to set the left rotation stop point.